In the Archaic era, the main features of Greek civilization were formed: the main form of political and public order, polis, aesthetic ideas, the main directions of ancient philosophy, literary translation genres, theater and others. In the core of the archaic culture, the main features of ancient Greek architecture are reflected: first of all, the order, a system of a certain proportional ratio of the supporting structures of the building. The Doric order was formed in BC. In the 7th century. The mentioned order has no foundation, the base and grows directly from the foundation, and in the middle it has a slight enlargement, entasis, as if it is difficult to pull the temple of heavy proportions. Doric column head has no decoration. A thin, light column of the Ionic order stands on the base, the capital is decorated with 2 large scrolls, and the reliefs are arranged in a continuous strip on the frieze. The ancient Roman architect, Vitruvius, writes in his treatise that if the Doric column reminds us of a strong man with its proportions, the Ionic column resembles a female figure with its grace. The Corinthian order of BC it originated in the 5th century. Its column capitals are richly decorated with leafy decorations of the sacred plant, acanthus. The Corinthian order appears to be the most luxurious of the Greek orders. It was especially popular during the Roman Empire. Remarkable examples of Greek fine art are the painting of larks, which gives us ideas about ancient painting, because other examples of this field, for example the wall painting, did not reach us. The themes of ceramic painting were diverse: heroes of Greek myths, Olympic games, themes of daily life. The best examples of Archaic era architecture. Greek sculpture of this period presents us with an interest in man, in his spiritual and physical beauty. In the Archaic era, mostly naked figures of young men, kouros, and women dressed in long clothes, kouros, are widespread. In the patterns, the influence of ancient Egyptian art is felt, which is expressed in the statues presented in stretched, static, strictly frontal poses.